While my neighbors are opening $900 electric bills this Monday morning, my AC is running for basically zero. I didn't spend $30,000 on a professional geothermal loop, and I didn't buy a high-efficiency heat pump. I went to the scrapyard, grabbed 21 heavy-duty plastic 55-gallon drums for $10 apiece, and buried them 6 feet under the Indiana soil. In 2026, the grid is maxed out. Data centers are driving up our rates, and the experts tell you the only way out is a $50,000 solar lease. They're wrong. You don't need a bigger solar array. You need a smaller load. I used plastic drums for a reason. They don't rust, and they're easy to plumb with PEX lines. I buried 21 of them 6 feet deep, well below the frost line where the Earth stays a steady 50 degrees year-round. Think of it as a giant underground thermal battery. The water sits in these drums, letting the Earth soak the heat out of it until it drops to 47 degrees. No compressors, no refrigerant, no massive electric pull. Just the natural cooling power of the Earth. To move that cold 47-degree water, I'm using a 12-volt pump I pulled out of an old RV. This is the secret to the whole system. This pump is variable. It can run on anywhere from 6 volts to 24 volts. If I just want a light chill, I dial it down. If it's 100 degrees outside, I crank it to 24 and turn my car radiator heat exchanger into an ice box. The water hits the radiator, the fan blows the cool air into the house, and the water heads back to the drums at 61 degrees to shed that heat and start over. Now, 47-degree water in Indiana humidity means sweat. I solved that with a simple plastic tray and a drain hose. That carries the condensation right outside. Total cost for the loop? About $210 for the barrels and an afternoon of digging. Total savings? Thousands of dollars a year. If you're ready to take your power back from the utility companies, hit that subscribe button. Next time, I'm showing you why I threw away my electric dryer for a $100 propane unit. I'm Scott, and this is how you beat the grid on a budget.